Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video I'm going to teach you how to add time and date stamp to iPhone photo. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. If you're on your iPhone and you have a specific photo that you took but you want the date and or the date and time stamp on there, I'll show you how to do it. Let's open up your Photos app on your phone here, and let's just choose a random photo. Now on here you can see there's no date or timestamp, but at the very top it says October 20th 2023 and it was taken at 9:54 a.m. What I can do is I can hit edit here and tap the little pencil icon at the top right, and then I'll tap the little plus at the bottom right here, and then all I have to do is add text. So what I'm going to do is tap on the text here, and I want to remove this because I want to put it was 10:20:23 and 9:54 a.m. So now I have created the text here. I can basically move it around if I want to move it around. I can go back to the original, all that stuff, but I can basically control this text. I could put it at the very bottom. I can do all that stuff. So there's a date and stamp. Now keep in mind, if you don't necessarily want to go through the route of manually adding it, you can always just open up your app store and let's just type in date stamp and hit search, and this app date stamper basically will give you the ability to stamp on there the date and time for any photo. But again, this is a third-party app that you need to download and install, and then you can go into your Photos app and just add that date in there. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.